Almost everything is manufactured, from the furniture in our rooms
to the toothbrush you hopefully used this morning.
If you didn't grow it from the ground,
chances are it was manufactured.
Many of the things we take for granted every day,
like the walls in our homes,
to the beds we fall asleep in.
These items are a staple in all of our lives.
And most times, we don't even think twice about them.
Some items are manufactured small,
and others are manufactured big.
They are built in factories and plants all around our community.
And that's what we'll discover today.
Welcome to the manufacturing industry.
The manufacturing industry is one of the fastest growing industries around, and there are many companies looking to hire now.
Manufacturing is the process of converting raw materials, components, and parts that meet a customer's expectations or specifications.
Manufacturing commonly employs a manned machine setup with division of labor in a large-scale production.
And the manufacturing industry is driving innovation.
Here at New South Window, it's very simple what we do. We manufacture, we install, and we guarantee. We go out of our way to make it easy. Made in Florida, for Florida homes, by Florida workers, because we understand the weather.
New South is truly the greatest place to work at just because of all of the opportunities that New South is able to provide, from continued education, continued on-the-job training, and just leadership opportunities that we get to experience daily.
We make windows and doors every day, but the thing that excites me to come to work are all the team members that we're able to interact with, all the team members that we're able to grow each day and to take care of their families each day. That is the reason why you want to be at New South Windows.
You don't need to know a great deal about this business. As a matter of fact, you need to know nothing. You can come in here and any of the opportunities we have, and from the very beginning, we will shepherd you, we will hold your hand, we will coach you, we will teach you what we need to do to be a cohesive unit and make New South Window the finest window company in the history of Florida.
I think all it takes to be successful at New South, or even manufacturing, is to have that willingness to learn and to not be afraid to ask questions.
We're always looking for someone who never gives up, right? Things aren't always perfect the first time through, and so we're always looking for that resilience.
Here at New South, there are so many types of different jobs. Operations employee, quality employee, engineering employees, warehouse folks, truck drivers, forklift drivers.
Accounting, lead setting, installation, sales, installers. It goes on and on. There's a place for everyone, and everyone has a place on the New South team.
I was able to learn about other great benefits like retirement plans, 401k, health insurance, and now I'm recently married and I have a baby girl on the way, so we were able to get that enrolled, and we are so excited to be here.
We're able to help each and every person grow, regardless of nationality, regardless of the language that you start here speaking, regardless of whether you have a high school diploma or you have a college degree. We want to see everyone grow and be able to take better care of their families, and that's our passion.
I want you to imagine how wonderful it is to come to work at a company that it's a privilege to be part of, to have an opportunity in our lives, your life and mine, to be part of something larger than any single person could do on their own. 700 plus team members making homes in Florida safe.
Manufacturers in the U.S. contribute to more than 3/4 of all private sector research and development in the nation.
There are nearly 12.5 million manufacturing workers in the United States, accounting for the 8.5% of the workforce.
That means if the U.S. manufacturing industry was its own economy, it'd be the 9th largest economic power in the world.
Over the next decade, nearly 3 million manufacturing jobs will likely be needed,
which means more high-paying job opportunities for you.
So Bosch & Lomb was founded over 160 years ago in Rochester, New York, and our plant has been operating since the early 90s.
The Bosch & Lomb Tampa facility is a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility where we manufacture ophthalmic, over-the-counter and prescription products, so medicine for your eye.
Our primary function is to supply the healthcare market with sterile ophthalmic drugs.
We also do all of the quality control testing, that is microbiological, chemical testing, to ensure that the product purity and and potency standards are adequate for patient safety, and then we release that product to the market.
In a manufacturing environment, primarily we're looking for individuals that are just willing to learn, being able to be taught and to perform with what you're taught is very important in our jobs because we have a lot of very strict procedures to follow.
It's all about having the right attitude. So taking advantage of the opportunities for training and development that they offer here, and then just having that mindset of being willing to learn and being able to take advantage of that so that you can succeed, because they offer you all of the tools that you need.
We have numerous entry-level positions in the warehouse, in our manufacturing areas, even in the laboratories that just require high school education and or some vocational training.
Bausch & Lomb invests in your development in your career from day one, regardless of what stage of employment you start with us with.
Training is probably the biggest item we do. We send people all the time to get advanced training in our equipment and the systems and processes that it takes to manufacture drugs.
So in addition to really substantial compensation for the roles that we're performing here with that on-job training that we get, we also have substantial medical, dental, vision, and then time off benefits.
As one of our benefits, we offer tuition reimbursement. It's an annual program that the individual can apply for, and it can go for a multitude of different backgrounds and degrees that can be seeked.
So something I really wish that I had known when I dropped out of high school and received my GED is that if I had started here at one of our entry level with a GED or high school diploma, production level, entry level positions, I could have received tuition reimbursement for my 4-year microbiology degree.
It's not easy work, but it's important work.
They build your confidence, they build your skills, and they develop you into a professional that has really as much as you want to put into it, you're going to get out of it. So it's a great place to learn and grow.
I have a saying that, the day I'm not happy working here, I'll update my resume, and it's been 27 years and I haven't had that day yet.
Manufacturing is a fast-growing, large-scale production industry that has so many opportunities for anyone who is willing to work hard and wants to make a difference.
There are tons of job opportunities that will produce positions that are satisfying and fulfilling for anyone looking for a great career.
And the training and certifications for these jobs are available to you right now at places like HCC, Hillsborough County Technical Colleges, and your own high school.
And more training and certifications
means more money in your pockets.
So if you're up to the challenge of being part of an incredible career,
check out the manufacturing industry.
They're not only making things here great in the community,
they're also making things great.